Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make moringa oil. This is a highly requested video as my viewers have requested that I make a video on how to make moringa oil. So basically, moringa is an Ayurvedic herb. It is a healthy lifestyle system that people in India, Chad have used for more than 5,000 years. And Ayurveda emphasizes good health and prevention and treatment of illnesses. It's also used for massage, meditation, yoga, dietary changes over there. But basically, it is a herb that you use to live a healthy lifestyle. So examples of Ayurvedic herb, we have cumin, brahmi, moringa, amla, hantaki, bibitaki, turmeric, and the list goes on. There are so many Ayurvedic herbs, and today I'm just going to be showing you guys how to use moringa. So moringa, the benefits of moringa, it is one of the most effective and essential Ayurvedic herb. It contains vitamin A, C, and hence it prevents dry scalp. It prevents inflammation of the follicles, and it also prevents dandruff. Some other benefits are it stimulates production of sebum from the sebaceous gland that would help to moisturize your hair. It prevents hair loss as it contains, proteins that will coat your hair and make your hair stronger. Not strong to breakage, but basically make your hair strong. And it also prevents your hair from damage and protects your hair from damage. Hence, if all of this is being done, you're going to prevent breakage, you're going to be retaining moisture. So now what are the ways you can use moringa powder? You can use it to make your oil, you can use it to do a hair mask, you can add it into your deep conditioner to buffer your deep conditioner with some other essential oils. And but in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use it to make your moringa oil. So I'm basically I started with previously I have the moringa tree in my house, so I brought down some branches, dried them, and then I blended them, and then I strained or sieved off the shaft to make the powder very smooth. And then I also added shebe powder. Shebe powder is also an Ayurvedic herb, so I just added that to add some more good stuff to the oil. So I mixed that up. That's what I'm basically doing now. I mixed it and combined it properly. I'm using olive oil as my base oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You can use coconut oil, but my hair is sensitive to coconut, so I use olive oil as my base oil. I used about 7 or 5. I used 5 bottles of this Goya olive oil because I wanted I wanted more quantity of the moringa oil, so I added more olive oil. And then I also added peppermint oil to it peppermint stimulates the scalp and increases blood flow to the scalp. So I added 20 drops of peppermint oil. You can add any essential oil of your choice. You can add eucalyptus, you can add rosemary, you can add any oil of your choice. You can freestyle it anyhow you want, because there's no manual to making moringa oil. Just basically getting your moringa powder and getting any base oil of your choice, and then you can add other essential oils. Also, if you don't have the moringa tree in your house, please, you don't have to plant a tree in your house. You can go to the markets, any fruit markets, they sell moringa powder. Just tell them you want to buy moringa powder, or you can order online. I would leave a link in my description down below to a contact that you can get your moringa powder and other Ayurvedic herbs from. So basically, so after combining all of that, you just mix. I combine it in a plastic container. It's not advisable to combine Ayurvedic herbs in metallic containers because they can react to the metals. But even though I wasn't sure about moringa, but I know about some other ones, I just basically used a plastic to prevent stories that touch. So this is where I added 2 extra olive oils to give it the quantity I wanted, and then make sure to mix properly it's very important that you mix properly to allow the powder, the benefits and the nutrients in the powder seep into the oil, you know, as a gradient to just flow into the oil. So that's basically what you do, you know. So that's what I'm doing now. So basically you mix, and then after you're done, you cover to let it sit for till whenever you're ready to use. It could be 24 hours, but just leave it for some time to, you know, get maximum benefits. So after that, I'm going to show you guys how it looked. So basically this was how it looked after I made it, and then just allow it sit. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.